We can start with some of the root crops that you
Okay.
said.
Yeah.
So the biggest thing that I can suggest is seed tape, because
Okay.
it makes planting so much easier, and it's just so much simpler.
Especially
Okay.
for carrots.
Yeah,
For
because they're really tiny seeds, so it's kind of hard to plant. And
for beets, it's not quite as crucial because it's just you're not
they're
spacing.
a little bit bigger. And
Yeah, it's bigger seeds. You're spacing further apart. But with any of the 16, like radish or carrot, we're doing seed tape. And I know that we have seed tape in the app. Oh, right here, seed tape.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
I need to add. You know what? We need a filter in here for seed tape.
yeah, that's a good
idea.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've never tried the seed tape, so I would we'll definitely give that a try, because if that makes it easier, I'm all for it.
It's amazing.
So we've got Littlefinger, Merida.
Yeah.
We grew Merida. Oh,
We did.
rainbow. Have you ever grown rainbow carrots?
That was the only one that I actually had success with one year, but the only ones that grew were the orange ones. So I don't know if I really had success or I had partial.
I love the purple ones. I just think it's really cool that they have a bunch of different colors. But yeah, the rainbow is definitely my favorite carrot, hands down, just because it's unique.
I like that.
I love growing because it's something you can't buy from the grocery store.
Yeah.
At least I've never seen it at the grocery store. Maybe somebody
I
else.
haven't either. Yeah, why don't we do that one? The rainbow blend, the seed tape version. And then maybe I'll have better luck with getting those grow some carrots.